Zeekr is one of the high-profile brands in the new force camp, and since its launch half a year ago, the 7X has become the mainstay of Zeekr sales. Its intelligent cockpit interaction design the key to its success. The Human-Car Relationship Lab used IDD interaction during driving test cases to test its interaction level. The test includes searching for destinations, view navigation guidance info, searching for songs, adjusting the temperature, and 11 other tasks. Also considers in-car distractions such as passenger conversations. Let's take a look at how the Zeekr 7X performs. After evaluation, we found 3 major advantages of the Zeekr 7X. First, the Zeekr 7X efficiently completes touchscreen interactions. On the home page, it defaults to various functional shortcut cards. The music card can be clicked to expand, and by sliding, it displays richer information, including lyrics, recommended playlists, and playback lists. It also integrates and recent functions into shortcut cards. Simplified interaction hierarchy. This design helps 7X reduce user workload in multitasking scenarios. Second, the Zeekr 7X features innovative multimodal interaction functions. When the driver looks at the left or right rearview mirror, press the steering wheel button allows direct adjustment of mirror angle, eliminate traditional manual selection steps. In addition, its HUD height does not need to be set manually. It adapts automatically to the driver's eye position. Third, the Zeekr 7X navigation supports refined filtering and searching for points of interest. For example, when searching for restaurants, you can filter by distance, cuisine, recommendation, etc. When searching for banks, you can filter for specific bank. This detailed, localized design can provide users the search results faster and more accurately, significantly improving task efficiency. However, in actual testing, the interaction design of the Zeekr 7X also has certain limitations. First, compared with the Zeekr 007, the 7X abandoned the center display that could electrically turn, making the far right of the screen hard to reach. Its UI places many common icons on the far right. For example, the song search entry volume buttons. When driver performs these operations, they do not have to lean their body, which affects the control of the vehicle. Second, some interfaces of the 7X have too much information. With too many icons and text, users need more gaze time and gaze points on the screen to complete tasks, increasing driving distraction. For example, when confirms the destination in a list, user needs about 15 fixations, and the site leaves the road for about 4.3 seconds. When selecting a point of interest, it takes about 12 fixations, and the line of sight leaves the road for about 3.0 meters. Compared with the touchscreen, issues in Zeekr 7X voice interaction affect the overall experience more. First is the efficiency of voice interaction. In the IDD test cases, the feedback time takes an average of 2.23 seconds, especially in the song search task. It takes more than 5 seconds to operate. This is at a below average level among mainstream new force models. On the other hand, as a core function of the cockpit, the voice assistant of still exposed some problems. When the user issues a multi-intent command,
navigate to Shanghai Hongqiao Station via Shanghai West Station.
Although EVA can identify and select the destination, and can also display a list of waypoints for the user to choose.
Which result is it? The first one.
But when we continue to select the waypoint, whether using the touchscreen or voice, EVA cannot continue to execute the command, resulting in failure to add waypoints. Multi-intent command interruption, affecting the continuity experience. In addition, although the Zeekr 7X has an onboard large model, but it still cannot fully understand and answer complex commands.
I am a car enthusiast. Help me recommend a Shanghai one-day tour itinerary.
For example, in this use case, the system did not consider car enthusiasts when planning the itinerary. Finally, let's take a look at the Zeekr 7X's performance in the process of all 11 tasks of IDD through the central display.
Its task completion rate is 100%, requiring a total of 34 steps, taking 112.94 seconds, requiring the eyes to leave the road for 68.51 seconds. The lane departure SD is 0.189 m. Comparing with previously tested models, the overall performance touch interaction is not impressive, but it achieved good performance in terms of task completion rate, mainly due to its reasonable task path and stable response. While in the process, the same tasks via voice, The task completion rate is 93.25%. Requiring a total of 28 steps, taking 118.77 seconds, requiring the eyes to leave the road for 38.06 seconds. The resulting lane departure SD is 0.149 meters. Compared to the touch screen, the voice interaction is lagging behind. The response speed is too slow, causing users to look at the screen more frequently to confirm the task status, resulting in greater eye deviation and longer task time. Recently, we have seen Geely Group making many big moves. Hope that Zeekr models will also have a more powerful intelligent cockpit system in the future. Let's wait and see.